Good day, traders. I will show you profitable technique trading with IQ option. This time, what I'm gonna use the indicator is the DPO indicator and the Parabolic Sar. I also use the Bollinger Bands with this strategy. It is best to trade during afternoon session in Singapore time, or you can look at the lower right below on what time do I trade with this strategy. So then, I attach the DPO or Dead Trended Price Oscillator with a period of 24 with a baseline of 0. It's just easy to trade with these indicators. The price oscillator will help you navigate consistency of the price and when it will go down or to go up. I use the Bollinger Bands with a period of 13 and a deviation of 2.5. Also the Parabolic Sar with its default settings. Acceleration step of 0.02, then the acceleration max of 0.2. Take a look at the chart. When the parabolic dots appear on the higher bars, it means a downtrend signal. If it crosses on the resistance of the Bollinger level, then it will probably go downtrend. While the trended price oscillator will go down, then the trend also goes down. Be sure to set the time frame of 15 seconds. With a chart type of Heikin-Nashi to easily detect by trending candles. I used to set my candle color to good for my eyes. I'll prefer dark color for the uptrend candle bars, then red for the downtrend bars. Let us now try to trade with the strategy. I'll check for the currency pair to be traded. I will look for some good entry points. On the GBP USD, the DPO is not on its good momentum. Still, the bars doesn't reach the Bollinger level. It is not the best currency pair to trade. Take a look at the AUD USD. The candle bar reaches the resistance band level. The Parabolic Sar will tend to make a reversal for a second. The DPO price shown on the chart is going down. I also use the binary FX Pro to detect trending price action. The oscillator is at the lowest level and it has a stable trending line going sideways. It is optional for you to use the binary FX Pro. Let us focus on our main indicators. Let's go for a sell for this. It goes along the way to the bottom. Got our profit. The binary FX Pro, what I only want to see is the oscillator. If it goes higher, then I will only do a buy. Then when it go for a lower, then I will only trade for a sell. The USD JPY's candle bar reaches the lower Bollinger Band. Then take a close look for this. The DPO goes up. Let's go for a buy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get latest strategies and updates trading with IQ option. See the rest of the video on how do I trade by using this strategy.